Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet Cooking and more. This video is about me preparing my daughter's tiffin box in the morning. So today I have planned to give her noodles. This is the spinach noodles that my sister had brought it from Kalimpong. So what I need to do in this is that I'll boil some water and put a little bit of salt into the water, and while that comes to a rolling boil, I'll cut the vegetables. I just have carrot and onions right now, so in this case you can add as many vegetables as you want. Beans, capsicum, cauliflower or broccoli, anything you can add into it. I'll chop the onions as well, and once that is done, I'm just going to remove the onions, the slices. I'm going to disjoin them. And in the meantime, while I was doing this, I can see that the water has already started bubbling a little. So now it is time for me to put the noodles into this water. I'm giving it a quick stir. Meanwhile, I'll put the skillet on the other stove top so that it starts to warm up, and I'm going to check the noodles. It has to be al dente, that is about 80% cooked. Don't overcook it. And then I'm going to drain the hot water and then just run it with under cold water so that no starch remains on it. And then I'll drain off this cold water also, and I'm going to add a little oil on it and apply oil so that it does not stick to it. The noodles will be separated from each other. Now the skillet is hot and I have added a tablespoon of oil into it, and I've kept it in a high flame, and I want the oil to be really very hot. I'll just see it with my hand. Yes, it is hot, very hot. Now I'm going to add the vegetables into it. All the cooking needs to be done in high flame, remember that. And just stir fry it. Not too long, about a minute. Now as I start adding the vegetables, I am going to add a little bit of red chili powder. This is completely optional, but I like to add this. And then I am going to stir fry it again, say for another 1 minute. And then when this is done, I am going to start adding the sauces. This is half a teaspoon of soya sauce. Since it's a tiffin box recipe, you don't need to go into too much of details. Everything has to be done fast. So half a teaspoon of soya sauce, it can be dark or light soya sauce. Half a teaspoon of vinegar. I've used the chili vinegar. The simple vinegar will also do. Stir this. And then salt. Now we have added salt in the water while boiling the noodles. So here I've started with half a teaspoon of salt. We can adjust the salt later if need be. Now I'm going to lower the flame because I'm going to add the noodles into it and then start stirring it. So it's better to keep it in low flame and then start mixing the boiled noodles with all the vegetables and the sauces. And then finally we'll add the chili sauce. If you have green chili, then it's fine. If you have red chili, you can add that as well, 1 teaspoon of it. And then the final thing left to be done is to mix everything up well. Now this is to be done in high flame again. Start mixing everything together. You can use a fork and the spoon, two things to lift these noodles up and mix it, or you can hold the skillet also and just flip the noodles. I'm doing it that way. When you do this process, you can keep the flame to a medium and then flip it. And then finally, when this is done, you can switch off the flame and let it cool for some time till you pack it into the tiffin box. So here my daughter's tiffin is ready and I'm going to give her maybe a fruit along with this. So that's all for today in this video. I hope you liked it and thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. And so till we meet again, bye bye.